Class 10 Geography, Chapter Transport continued. Children, today we will study Chapter Transport Part 2. We will study about Indian Railways. Indian Railways is India's national railway system operated by the Ministry of Railways. The first railway line was laid between Bombay and Thane in 1853. 49% of the routes are electrified, while 33% are multi-tracked. Rail services have developed a lot. Advantages of railways. India has the largest network of railways. Railways serve as the principal mode of transport for both freight and passengers. They unite people from one corner of the land to the other. Railways serve as the cheapest mode of transport for bulky products over long distances. Example: coal, iron ore, petrol, and many other raw materials. Railways connect the hinterland to the seaports. Example: Mumbai, cotton textile industry. Railways play an important role in the process of economic development and urbanization. Railways promote integration within the states. Example: connecting eastern states to west and northern to south. Railways help in agricultural development. It helps in transporting agricultural commodities, perishable and non-perishable, to distant places. Similarly, other raw materials, fertilizer, etc. is also sent by railways. Railways help in the administration of the country. It also helps in safeguarding in sovereignty and integrity. It helps in easy movement of heavy defense equipment, troops, police and military within the country. Railways are more important in the northern plains as compared to northern India due to the following reasons. The flat level of northern Ganga plain with high density of population and rich agricultural output provides ideal conditions for development of railways. However, due to the presence of rivers, number of bridges have to be constructed. In northern parts of India, due to hilly and rugged topography, it is difficult to develop railway lines. Hence, here the road transport is more popular. Disadvantages of Indian Railways. Railways face a tough competition with road transport, as roads can deliver the goods at the doorstep. Indian Railway is facing tremendous pressure of traffic with increasing population, urbanization and industrialization. Railways are unsafe due to poor maintenance, frequent accidents due to human errors, terrorist attacks and faulty track repairs, loots and robbery incidents have made the rail journey unsafe. Poor management, poor catering, poor maintenance of the train compartments, lack of amenities at the railway stations have resulted in an inefficient image of the railways in the eyes of the public. Obsolete machinery, tracks and equipment are cause of major accidents which affect the efficiency over a period of time. This also affects the traffic as people lose faith in the system. Electrification of railways has resulted in heavy increase in consumption of electricity and increased tariff rates. Railways also consume a lot of diesel. Problems of Indian Railways. Obsolete trains, tracks and equipment make railways unsafe. Electrification of railways has resulted in huge consumption of power and higher tariff rates. Many of the workers are inefficient and unproductive. Lack of facilities and cleanliness discourage passengers to travel by train. Railways cannot be laid in hilly areas or in remote forested regions. Trains cannot provide door-to-door service like roads, and therefore the goods and passengers have to rely on road transport to reach their destination. Here ends the second part of this chapter. We will continue this chapter in the next video.